Bodum Brazil French Press Coffee and Tea Maker, 12 ounce, black. The Brazil French Press Coffee Maker, designed in the early 80s, was our first coffee maker and quickly became a symbol of what Bodum stands for. Attractive and functional design at an affordable price. The Brazil has an ultra-light, heat-resistant borosilicate glass beaker and a polypropylene handle and base, which make the Brazil easy to use and easy to clean. The 3-part stainless steel plunger has a fine mesh filter, which allows for a premium extraction of your coffee aromatic oils and subtle flavors. A mesh filter allows this flavor to be delivered direct to your cup and not absorbed by a paper filter. Plus, no paper filter means no waste. The patented safety lid prevents the splashing of liquids while pressing. All parts are dishwasher safe. This 3-cup coffee maker is 0.35 liters, 12 ounces in size, and is also available in 8-cup, 1.0L, 34 ounces, size model. Add coarsely grounded coffee. Add hot water. Wait 4 minutes. Plunge. Environmentally friendly, no paper filters or plastic capsules required. Base and handle made of BPA-free polypropylene. Carafe made of German heat-resistant borosilicate glass. Plunger made of stainless steel. 34-ounce capacity. Dishwasher safe. Dimensions: capacity 12.0 ounces, width centimeters, 4.375 height centimeters, 6.625 depth centimeters, 3.250. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.